Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to make basic shapes in quilling. So the things which you need are quilling strips, fevicol and a quilling tool. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Let's make the first thing. So you need this tool and you have to put the quilling paper like this and roll it properly. Should be very tight. Once the rolling is done, you have to take this out slowly. And you have to open the quill to make the desired shape. So the first shape which I am going to make is the teardrop. Let the quill spread, and now I am going to stick the end of the quill . The glue, and I'm going to make the teardrop shape. My first shape is done. Now I'm again going to roll the second strip and I'm going to make the second shape, which is the eye shape or the diamond shape. For the eye shape, I have opened this quill and I am going to give it the desired eye shape from both the corners. I am going to stick the glue. The next shape which I am going to make is the leaf shape. Now let's get started with it. After coiling the strip, I have put it on the mat and it has got open. Now I am going to give it the desired shape and first stick this end and then give the desired shape to the quill. And this is the third shape, which is the leaf shape. The next shape which I am going to make is the heart shape. Now let's get started with it. Now the next shape is the heart shape. I have attached two quilling strips with it and I have let it open and I have stuck it also from the other end. Now I am going to give the heart shape to it. I hope it is looking beautiful. The next shape which I am going to teach you is the peak coil shape. Now let's learn that shape. For the peak coil shape, I have quilled this strip and now I have not stuck it from the other side. How? Because I have to open it. I have to open it and give it the desired shape, and the peak coil shape goes like this. Now I will stuck this from here to make it a sequin shape. reshape it to make it look beautiful. This shape is known as Quilling shape. The next shape which I'm going to teach is the petal shape. It is almost like the teardrop shape. This is the petal shape. It is almost like the teardrop shape, but there is a pointed edge over down and there is a pointed edge over the top. This is the square shape. After opening, we have to squeeze it from the sides to give it a square shape like this. And now the square shape is made. Next shape which I'm going to make is oval shape. For the oval shape, I have just put down the rolled quill ribbon and now it is getting open. Now I am going to give it the desired shape by sticking the corner edge of it. Is the oval shape. Now the last and the most basic shape is the round shape, which I am going to make now. Always remember, if you don't have to loosen the round shape, then you can fix it here. But if you have to make a big round, just let it open by its own and it will grow by its own. And after that you can fix the glue, and if you want to make a very big round, then you can put 2 or 3 strips along with it. Now let the coil open by its own, let it grow in size, and then we can fix it and it will become a round shape. And I think so that's all. Now I stick it from the edge of the ribbon and the round shape is made. So the various shapes which you have learned in this tutorial are: number 1, the teardrop shape; number 2, the eye shape; number 3, the leaf shape; number 4, the heart shape; number 5, the coil shape; number 6, the petal shape; number 7, the square shape; number 8, the oval shape; and the last, number 9, the round shape, the most basic shape in quilling. Thank you children. I hope you liked the video.